So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use a torque wrench properly and what are the different parts of it. So this is a torque wrench and this is for reversing the direction of rotation of the ratchet. And this is the unit scale. So on this side you have the torque in foot-pounds, and on this side you have it in kilograms and meter. So since most everyone is using foot-pounds, so I'll explain about foot-pounds. The same can be done for the kilogram meter. So the way it works is the foot-pound scale is from 10 to 150, and let's say, for example, you are going to have the torque at 15 foot-pound. So what it means is you will start rotating this. Make sure it is loose. I'll tell you what is the use for this one. Make sure it is fully loose. Then from this knurl, hold it and start rotating it. So right now it is at 0. If I keep rotating it and it again lines up 0, 0 is lined up with this line, then it means is that the torque is set at 10 foot-pounds. If I continue rotating it again, it goes to 20 when I line it up again. So if I do this, give it another rotation, now the 0 is lined up again, and this one is now lined up for 20, if you see this. So if you were to adjust it at, let's say, 15, how will you do that? There, this scale comes into play. So you start rotating it. This is 4, this is 5. So right now it is at 5. And if you give it another rotation, like this is 10, because this is lined up with the 10. If I rotate it more and take it to 5, now it is at 15, because this is now between 10 and 20, and this 5 is lined up with this line. So now the purpose of this screw is, once you have adjusted it wherever you want it to be, then you tighten it like this. Hand tighten is enough. This way now the grip is not going to move much once you are tightening it. If you don't do this, what can happen is, because of movement, it can go like this or it can go further. So to avoid that, this screw is there. It can also be used to hang it with a thread and then with a nail on the wall. So this is how the torque wrench works. The important thing is, when you are done with the work, always wind it back so that it is not under any tension or stress, because it is spring loaded. If you keep it constantly, for example, if you keep it constantly at 20 or 40 and then leave it there till you do the job next time, it will start losing its calibration. So you have to make sure that every time when the job is done, you fully loosen it like this. If you have any questions, please let me know, and thanks for watching.